What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be making cheddar smoked sausage pasta, and I'm using these bowls. I'm going to cut up my sausage really fast and get started. I also got some bell peppers cut up and already in a pan. Okay, now that I'm almost done cutting this up, add my water bowl so I can put my both teeth in there. And I'll be back. Okay, you guys, I'm back. I'm putting my sausage in the pan and cooking them right now. Give it a little mix. Also got my water boiling for my pasta. I'm gonna pour this in there in the bowl. I don't use the whole box because it's just me and 3 kids, so I use half of the box. And I'm letting those simmer and cook, and I'll be back to show y'all what it looks like. What's up, guys? Now I'm just adding my bowls to my cheese mix. And I'm going to add my sausage. Here are my sausage. They look so good. I'm going to add them. You guys, this turned out so good. Look at all that. Might add some more sausage. Don't know yet. It looks good just how it is. I'm gonna add some shredded cheese to the top to top that off, and that's my meal, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye, guys.